Today in science class, we did an incline plane data table.
So we needed to do the output force, and the output force is the force applied by the machine, and our output force was 9.5, and the output distance is the number of times that our machine increases the input force, and that was 45. So to find the output work, we needed to do output force times output distance. That was 9.5 times 45, and we got 4,275 for the output work.
So our input force, which is the internal force applied to a machine for the machine to begin working, we got was 5.4, and the input distance, which is the hypotenuse, which is basically the ramp that we're trying to get the efficiency on, we got was 120. If you multiply the input force and that input distance, so 5.4 times 120, you get the input work, which is 648. Actual mechanical advantage is the mechanical advantage determined by a physical measurement of the input and output forces, which we got was 1.75. It's time for efficiency, boys. Alright, so the efficiency is the state or quality of being efficient. So how we find the efficiency is WO over we times 100, which is work output over work input times 100. Alright, so that what we got was 659.7. Samir? Yes.
To start our experiment, we took the meter stick and we measured our ramp. And that came out to about 120 centimeters. Then, we took the meter stick again and measured the height of the chair and how high the ramp was. And that got us to about 45 centimeters. We then took the spring scale and the 1,000 gram weight, hooked them together, and we dragged it up the ramp until we got to our number of about 6.2 newtons. And from there, we filled out our information on the data table and did the math work. In our second trial of the experiment, we took the meter stick again and measured up the ramp, but this time it was only half the distance to the top, and that was about 60 centimeters. And it was the same height to the top of the ramp because we used the same chair. Then we took the spring scale and the 1,000 gram weight, and once again we pulled it slowly towards the top. But this time the number of newtons was much greater, this time coming out to about 7.2 newtons. And then again we put the data we found and put it into a table and found the IMA, the AMA, and the efficiency.
So this is the information we gathered on the chart. The output force is 3,500, and the output distance is 1,016. And then we multiplied that, we got 3,556,000. And then the input force is 9,450. And then the input distance is 4,267.2. And then we multiplied that, we got the input work, which is 40,325,040.
This was our experiment. Thank you for watching.
Yell at.
Yeah.
Kind of weird. Matches in the background.
That's really cool. Your face, baby. Yeah, I want to see you bust down. Can we have the music playing in the background?
Oh.
This is a triangle that is a triangle, and time for efficiency, boys. So, dude, stop. This is my intro. Can you stop?
Stop what? I'm playing Hangman, or the
Sure?
Stickman game, yeah.
Whatever. Hi. How's it going?
Here, so then you can add it in later, okay? No. Okay. Tell me when to start, okay?
Ear.